Okay, so it's 10:30 at night and I just decided I want to start redoing my room here, and I am going to start cleaning the walls, and I'm going to putty the holes tonight, and then I am going to go get paint tomorrow and I'm going to repaint the whole room. There's a blue wall on it right now, so I'm gonna have to get primer and I'm going to repaint everything white, and then I'm going to go to Ikea and hopefully get some new structures, a mirror, maybe a wardrobe. But I have decided I am going to redo my brother's childhood bedroom into my adult bedroom now. Okay, so the walls are getting clean. I took off all the light strips, all the stickers. I took off the curtain. All right, time to fill the holes. All right, board came down. All right, we are all on our way to Ikea. Logan, where you at? I can't even get you in here.
Stuck in the back.
We are now on the way to go get gas. We're only leaving about 10 minutes late. And then we're gonna go get Gabe's girlfriend, and then we are going to Ikea. I'm so excited. All right, we stopped to get gas. And now we are going to go to Bray, and we have to be back by 2 o'clock because poor Logan still has a work meeting. So we are up now at like 8 in the morning trying to get everything done before his work meeting. We want to try to get a few things for our room because we redid it. We want to get a mirror. What else do we want to get?
Nightstands and potentially a desk for me.
Oh yeah, and a desk. Hopefully you can work in the new spot today.
Yeah.
All right, we just got here.
Ikea for the first time.
The traffic wasn't too bad, so we got here in a decent time, and Ikea opens up in 1 minute.
I think it started before I even pressed the button. Fast. Do I have to stop it?
I think so. No, it stops by itself.
But now there's no room for milk.
All right, we are fed, so now we are on our mission to get stuff for our room, stuff for my stepmom, and stuff for Gabe.
I got coffee, so I'm feeling good now. Let's go.
Logan, I think we found your desk.
It's tiny.
It is. It's a tiny little thing. We're gonna keep looking, but it's only 30 euros, so it might be it. All right, we just made our way through the entire Ikea in what, like an hour?
We're still not quite through. We're in the warehouse, but it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, same. I love it though. I could be here all day long. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, we got the mirror in the car. We got everything else. We're just a little cramped. This is me. That's Kaylin up there. And this is the mirror. Hi, Logan. Today's the day we're picking up Michaela at the airport. We are on the way now. It takes us about an hour to get there, and she lands in about an hour. She has Gracie and Amanda with her. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. All right, right, we are getting in position for her to see us when she arrives. I just saw you. How are you? Oh my God, we're here. We're gonna get out of the way. We're out of the way. Okay, Logan's driving for the first time in Ireland. What are you?
A giraffe.
All right, so we've been walking around Wicklow Town with Michaela, Gracie, and Amanda. We got some food at a pub, got some coffee first and foremost, and now we're gonna go head back to the car and take them to Greystones.
And we learned what a bin is.
What's your name?
We're taking a video. Oh my God. Catching up with my family downstairs, letting them know how our day went, letting them know how Michaela, Gracie, and Amanda's first day was in this country. It was a packed-filled day. They were exhausted. They went to bed around 9 p.m. It's about 11 now. We're going to go to bed now. And tomorrow we're going to go to Killruddery. We're going to try to go to Powers Court and Devil's Glen. They want to see like forest, like fairy areas. So that's what we're going to go do tomorrow. And then they only have until Sunday here. So we're going to be jammed packed. I got up about an hour ago. Logan's getting ready. My brother's in the shower. We're about to head out and go pick up Michaela, Gracie, and Amanda. And we are going to go get breakfast at Avoca. I'm so excited. I love the Avoca Mount Usher Gardens like cafe. It's delicious. So we're going to go there and have breakfast. After that, we're going to go do a hike through Devil's Glen. And then if we still have time, and the energy, we're gonna go try to do Powers Court also. So it's supposed to rain around 2 o'clock. So we're gonna try to get everything done as much as we can before 2 p.m. But if it starts raining, we'll be ready. We are picking them up now, and then we're gonna go get breakfast. My dad's following us on the bike because he has not met them yet. And then I believe he's gonna go to an eye appointment, and then we're gonna go to Devil's Glen.
We'll leave it in the past, yeah?
Picks me up from mom's house.
I'm ready for some breakfast.
Shut down. Quick walk through Mount Usher. It's the #1 gardens in Ireland. We just finished breakfast. It was absolutely delicious. I'm excited for the rest of the day because now it's just all hikes from here on out and walking. Alright, we finished at Avoca, and now we're
What happens when you bring a toddler on a hike?
So I can't do a penguin.
Watch out. That's unnatural.
Jesus.
No.
How?
The throat goat.
Today is the last day that Michaela, Amanda, and Gracie are going to be in the Wicklow Town area, in the Wicklow County area. We are going to be heading into Dublin today, and then we're going to be staying there until Monday morning, and then that's the day they leave. Today, I think we're going to try to hit Powers Court, and then just kind of walk around the city, check them into their hotel, and then just kind of see where the day takes us from there.
Gracie, what'd you get? What'd you get?
A potion.
Ooh.
Breakfast. We've gone to, oh my god, I almost fell. Huh. We've gone and had breakfast. We walked around Wicklow Town for a little bit, stopped at some shops, got all of our bags. Logan's taking back the car to the airport at the moment. We're meeting him at the hotel. We're just taking a stroll through Stephen's Green, and it is on the way to the hotel. Super excited to see what this little hotel is about. It's like a boutique hotel, so it's really small and it's like family owned.